How much CBD should I take, and how much CBD do others take? In this video, I'll discuss the general dosages common in the myfitlife community. My name is Al Marenta, and I'm the CEO of myfitlife. So remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. So let's get into the presentation. Let me make this a little bit bigger over here. All right, so once a client decides on the type of CBD, like capsules or tinctures, the next question usually is, how much CBD should I take? So in most cases, you'll begin with what I call a level 1, which is 25 milligrams taken twice per day, 50 milligrams total per day. Okay, so about 40% of our community lives there. And you do that for about a week to 10 days when first starting out, and you check in with yourself. And if you feel good, you stay there. And if you feel good, but you need a little bit more, like, hey, I could use a little more, then you move up to what we call level 2, which is just doubling up and doing 50 milligrams twice per day, 100 milligrams total per day. Okay. And that's another 40% of our community. So it's pretty equal, level 1 and level 2. They're about 80% of the total community. There are some outliers that require more, and I call this macro dosing. Okay, so those are taken 2 to 3 times per day, and it's around 200 milligrams to 600 milligrams or more per day. I call this a full frontal assault. About 20% of our community lives here. And clients in this category, they usually have a condition or are recovering from an injury or surgery. And for them, myself included, it's life-changing, and I can attest to that, right? So to recap, most in our community, they do well with level 1, 25 milligrams twice per day, 50 milligrams total per day. That's about 40% of our community. Level 2, 50 milligrams taken twice per day, 100 milligrams total per day. That's another 40% of our community. And then the outliers, they usually do 2 to 3 doses per day, and it's a heavier dosage, 200 milligrams to 600 milligrams or more per day. And oftentimes when you overcome the situation, you're able to move down into a maintenance dose of a level 1 or a level 2. Okay. So hopefully this helps you out and gives you some ideas. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns about your specific situation. Remember to visit our website at myfitlife.net. Use code MFL20 to get 20% off your orders. If you have questions, schedule a complimentary consultation at the link provided in the description below. Again, this is Al Marenta with myfitlife. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.